Jai Shri Ram. This is a story I'm very fond of narrating. Maybe I told you this earlier, but doesn't matter. Listen to it again because repetition is necessary. Otherwise, things don't get uh, embalmed in the memory. So there was a man who was praying to God because he was feeling very troubled by all the miseries that he was facing in life. He said, God, please do something. Please do something. One day God appeared in his dream and he said, okay, put all your miseries and difficulties, sorrows in a piece of cloth, make a bundle of that and bring it to my temple on Sunday. So this man started carrying the bundle. And on Sunday when he was walking towards the temple, he noticed that there were lots of people coming from different directions and converging on the temple with bundles on their heads. So he realized, okay, looks like everyone was praying the same thing, you see. Our prayers, we don't pray to God, we pray on God. P-R-E-Y. The prayers are usually, demand list, or a wish list, shopping list, and a complaint list. God actually gives you what you deserve to get. He will not give you what you demand. God, his system is so pakka. The Persian quote is also very famous. Saturdam bato maya ye keshara tu dani hisabe kamo veshara. That means, God, you are such a great mathematician. There is not even a slight slip up. There is no miscalculation. Everyone gets exactly what he deserves to get. So anyway, so they reached the temple, all of them with their bundles on their head. They waited for God's decision. Suddenly they heard a big booming voice. God said, okay, listen guys, I can't take your bundles away, but I've decided that you can all exchange your bundles if you want. Now some people were carrying huge bundles, some were carrying small bundles, all different assorted types of bundles. So this was a choice that God gave. But you could have guessed what happened. Nobody wanted any other person's bundle because you don't know what's there in that. A known devil is better than an unknown angel. So the guy with the small bundle, the guy with the big bundle went away with the big bundle instead of taking the small bundle because he doesn't know what's there in that small bundle. That could be worse. So this is the end of the story. So stop complaining, keep working, and then you will probably develop the strength to bear all these difficulties. Jai Shri Ram.